right, Terry Carter here, ukelikethepros, and I'm going to answer the question that I get asked a lot is, does installing a pickup in a ukulele affect its sound? Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter, and before we get into this video, which is taking my KoAloha black label, all right, this one is called Lightning, and this is my personal one, by the way, and determining if putting a pickup affects the sound of the ukulele. Do you know, okay, before we get to that, do you know that we give away a ukulele every single month right here on my channel? You just got to do a couple things. Part one, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. Part two, click the link below, go sign up. That's it. Once you're signed up, you're entered to win one of the many ukuleles that we give throughout the year and one every month. All right. Go to ukelikethepros.com. That's your #1 site to get all your ukulele needs. And although I don't have this black label for sale because this is mine, but this is my new one, my baby. And as you know, I do a lot of videos, I do a lot of courses, so I absolutely require a pickup in my ukulele. Now, I know this is beautiful. Why would you want to drill into the wood, all that kind of stuff? I totally understand that, and I feel the same way. But I actually record a lot, and this is going to become my #1 ukulele member. This one is called Lightning. This is my black label that I want to do a pickup. But people always ask me, does it affect the sound? And so I thought, since my repair shop is literally right down there, I figured let's do a quick video here, and I'll do a little playing like I have been, and then once I get the pickup installed, I'll come and do a little bit of playing as well. And I'll just keep it acoustic. I won't even plug it in, just so you can really hear if drilling a big hole through the back of this thing does affect the sound of it. What do you think? Right? Leave a comment below what you think is going to happen to the sound. Is it going to stay the same? Is something going to change in it? I don't even know, and that's why we're doing this video. But I do know one thing. This thing sounds amazing. All right, so I'm going to take my black label right now. I'm going to take it down to the shop. We're going to get a pickup installed, and then I'm going to come back and finish this video so you can hear if putting a pickup in an ukulele, even a super high-end, amazing KoAloha black label, affects its sound. All right, now we are back. What did you say? Would the pickup, oh, there is now a pickup in here, affect the sound of my black label tenor ukulele? Now, there's a couple things that we have to take into consideration, some variables. All right. Well, I think it sounds better. What do you think? Put a comment below. Now, to do the pickup, we do have to drill a big hole in here. Put this input jack in. They also have to put the pickup underneath the saddle here. There's also the knobs in there. So, but there's also some other things. What happened is when you put the pickup here, the piezo pickup on here, is going to raise this pickup lid. So it's going to actually raise the strings off the fretboard a little bit. Now, traditionally, everyone wants high action, but the problem is sometimes high action will suck the sound a little bit. So when you take the strings up a little bit, it should open up the sound a lot, which it has. So the action is not quite as low, but it's actually very nice action. So does it affect the sound? Okay, putting this pickup in, I think it does not affect the sound. Matter of fact, let me take that back. It does affect the sound slightly, but it's not like oh, it sounds really good without a pickup, and then, oh, now it sounds really bad, or vice versa. I do think the tone has changed a little bit, but that could be also because of the action, not only just because of putting the pickup in. So, hey, what are your thoughts? Leave that comment below. Let me do a little playing, give you one more little sound clip here. I'll kind of play something what I played earlier. By the way, I did end up using the Nue Air. It's either the Air Blue or the Air pickup. Not really sure what it's called, but it's the piezo pickup with the volume knob and also a little microphone, but we're not plugged in, so you're just hearing it acoustically. But anyway, did that help answer the question? Does a pickup affect the sound? Yeah, it does slightly, but I don't think it's one way or another. You're not going to say, oh my gosh, it sounded so much better before, or it sounds so much better. And again, some of the variables like the string action do take effect to the instrument. So anyway, store.ukelikethepros.com if you need anything. KoAloha, over 20 brands there. Also, if you want to get better at the ukulele, ukelikethepros.com. That's your #1 site to help you learn ukulele. So anyway, this was a fun video to do. I just did it here in my shop here with my different background than normal, but I just wanted to have fun and kind of give you guys this kind of content. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, we do give away ukulele every month. Subscribe to the channel and sign up with that link below. Other than that, I'm out of here. Take care, and we'll see you later.